You got your Florence Nightingale, widely regarded as the founder of modern nursing. She came to prominence while tending to wounded soldiers during the Crimean War, 1853 to 1856. Nightingale was an early proponent of the use of wound dressing to prevent, cover, and help reduce infections. She's got a nice face. I like her. And this is actually one of the hats that she wore. And I'm not sure if this is actually signed by her, but it looks like an original. It's a pledge, basically, to be a good nurse and do a great job and save lives. Very cool. Thank you, Flo.